The 10 most reliable Japanese luxury cars on the used market, 2026. For used car buyers, especially in the luxury segment, reliability is paramount. A bargain price quickly evaporates when confronted with constant repairs, diagnostic headaches, and unexpected downtime. Japanese luxury brands consistently outperform the competition in durability, offering a balance of premium features and lower long-term ownership costs. This list, compiled through extensive research as of late 2026, ranks 10 models from least to most reliable, helping savvy buyers avoid pitfalls. Why reliability matters in luxury cars depreciate rapidly, making them attractive used purchases. However, their premium parts and specialized servicing don't cheapen over time. New luxury car prices already reflect higher maintenance costs, including premium fuel requirements. Choosing a reliable model minimizes these expenses, making long-term ownership far more predictable. The top 10. From solid to exceptional, the following models have been evaluated based on owner reports, J.D. Power ratings, RepairPal data, and CarEdge cost projections. Each entry includes its reliability score, typical maintenance expenses, and potential issues to watch out for. 2007 Infiniti M35 Reliability Score 86/100. The 2007 Infiniti M35 earns a great J.D. Power score, reflecting fewer defects than many competitors. While generally dependable, potential issues include steering rack problems and occasional idle irregularities. RepairPal gives it a 3.5-star rating, placing it above average among large luxury sedans, with a 33% chance of major repairs over 10 years. Average yearly maintenance costs are around $463, with a projected $11,836 spent over a decade. 2010 Lexus HS 250h Reliability Score 86/100. The Lexus HS 250h, though discontinued after 3 years, offers solid reliability thanks to Toyota engineering. J.D. Power rates it great, with owners praising its durability. However, hybrid systems and electronics can develop quirks over time. RepairPal gives it 3.5 stars, while CarEdge estimates maintenance at 40% lower than the luxury average, with a 19% chance of major repairs in 10 years. Annual costs average $371, totaling $7,110 over a decade. 2013 Acura ILX Reliability Score 87/100. Derived from the Honda Civic, the 2013 Acura ILX is surprisingly reliable, earning a 4.5-star RepairPal rating. Owners praise its durable construction and lower ownership costs. Minor issues include gearbox quirks and ride quality complaints. CarEdge projects 10-year maintenance at $8,414, about 25% below the luxury average. Annual costs average $440. 2015 Lexus CT 200h Reliability Score 88/100. The Lexus CT 200h, despite its short production run, stands out for its Toyota engineering. RepairPal gives it 4.5 stars, making it the top-rated luxury compact. CarEdge estimates 10-year maintenance at $7,110, aligning with the Lexus brand's low-cost trend. Annual maintenance averages $458, with minimal major repair projections. 2008 Acura RL Reliability Score 90/100. The 2008 Acura RL, a pioneer in the Japanese luxury segment, delivers strong real-world reliability thanks to Honda's engineering. RepairPal ranks it highly, with 4 out of 5 stars. CarEdge projects 10-year maintenance at $8,414, about 25% lower than the luxury average. Annual costs average $497. 2011 Lexus GS Reliability Score 90/100. The 2011 Lexus GS offers strong reliability with fewer defects than many midsize luxury rivals. RepairPal gives it 4 stars, while CarEdge estimates 10-year maintenance at $7,110, below the luxury average. Annual costs average $537, with a less than 20% chance of major repairs in 10 years. 2011 Lexus IS Reliability Score 9100. The 2011 Lexus IS earns a great JD Power rating, reflecting few reported defects. RepairPal gives it 4 stars, while CarEdge projects 10-year maintenance at $5,891, about 33% lower than the luxury average. Annual costs average $452, with a low 15.6% chance of major repairs in 10 years. 2024 Lexus LC Reliability Score 92-100. The 2024 Lexus LC, a newer edition, shows promising reliability despite its technological complexity. While data is limited, JD Power surveys indicate high owner satisfaction. CarEdge projects maintenance at $7,334 over 10 years, nearly 40% below the luxury coupe average. Annual costs average $551. 2011 Lexus LS Reliability Score 93-100. The 2011 Lexus LS consistently ranks high in reliability metrics, with JD Power placing it well above its contemporaries. RepairPal gives it 3 stars, while CarEdge projects 10-year maintenance at $6,661, remarkable for a flagship luxury sedan. Annual costs average $703. 2017 Lexus IS Reliability Score 96-100. The 2017 Lexus IS tops the list with a near-perfect reliability score of 96-100. Its engineering crossovers with the Toyota Camry and Prius contribute to its exceptional dependability. RepairPal gives it a solid 4 stars, and CarEdge projects maintenance costs at under $6,000 over 10 years. Annual costs average $468, making it the most cost-effective luxury option. Conclusion: choosing a reliable used luxury car requires careful consideration. Japanese models, particularly Lexus and Acura, consistently deliver superior durability and lower long-term ownership costs. By prioritizing models with high reliability scores and well-documented maintenance histories, buyers can avoid costly repairs and enjoy a premium driving experience without breaking the bank.